Just bought these wheels.
Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be taking a look at this spot over here specifically to cut it out and weld in a new piece, and you'll see the whole process. And also taking a look a little bit over here.
Okay, so I just cut out this piece from the car and I need to make a new plate for it. It needs to be a little bit bigger, and I measured the hole in the car, and it turned out to be around this size that I need to cut out, because it needs to be a little bit bigger than the older piece. It's correct, and as you can see, there's a slight bend to it, so I also have to bend it a little bit just to make it right. But now I need to just cut it out and see if I can make it fit.
Go and try and see if it fits. I think that's perfect. Great length and great width. But as you can see, I need to slightly bend it a little bit. It's a little bit. Go and see if it fits. And maybe I need to bend it in this corner, because it gets a little bent, as you can see. So bend in this corner. It might fit a little bit better. Yeah, let's do it. It's much better now. Much better. Gets nearly all the way down to the metal end. Yeah. And need to bend a little bit back again, but I think that's a great fit. Alright, I just marked out all of the holes I need to drill out. So we can spot weld it at first, and then after that we'll weld it all the way around. If I haven't mentioned this, it is the first time I do anything like this, so bear with me. go. Just got it finished. I think that looks great. Fits pretty good. Just a little bit bent here, and that's great. Just need to weld it in. That's the next step. It's the first time ever welding, so it'll be a learning curve, but I think I'll overcome it, because I think I have to. There's a lot of welding in this car, so I need to learn how to weld. And now it's time to prepare the other side. So chisel this out a little bit, make a little bit of easier to work with, just like I did on this side. So just prepare and prepare. A lot of tedious work, but it needs to be done so we can get done with the car. But it's still fun, and it's fun to learn this new stuff. Here you go. You can easily see it now. I just clean it up, and this is how it looks like underneath when you do stuff like this. A lot of rust just comes out of the car just because you hammer the car. Well, not a little bit, a lot. So I just took out a little bit more here because I can see that I'll have to weld a new piece just like the other side. I'll have to weld in a new piece here because there's just holes all over the place too. But now I'll take out more with isolation, and right in the, yeah, it's the front, because as you can see all of it is just bad, and also underneath here it's pretty rotten, so I'll take out more of this. I think that's great, but as you can see there's still a lot of rust in here, so yeah, a lot of work in the front. I think I'll clean up this side even more, around the edges here, and also up here, and maybe a little bit down, just take out the isolation, that is, so just a little bit more cleanup.
Like I was before. Oh, I will find a way back from the rain and the storm, and I will form a picture of my future painted in gold. And time ain't got no reason when you're lost and alone. Show me
that's very bad. Over here that's bad, and I think that's gonna be how it is. But my already cut out plate doesn't fit the hole. It only fits like till here or something. So that's not not so great. But look at how clean it is here. It gets somewhere. It's crazy.
Okay, so this is the first time ever trying to weld, but this is not me, he's just learning me how to do it. After this, you'll see me trying my first time ever welding. This is just him teaching me how it's done.
Welds aren't the greatest, but I mean it's the first time I'm ever welding, so I mean got some help. I need to fill out these holes, and after that, and also that hole, and then I can weld all the way around, all the way. Great first time. So that's thumbs up.
And already my first big mistake. There went some time before this clip and the others, so I forgot to turn on the gas tank for my CO2 welder. But I quickly got it turned on, so now it's great again. As you could see, I was doing very poorly, so here he is trying to teach me again how it's done. I was being a little bit too slow on the trigger. As you can see, his is very hot all the way, mine wasn't at the beginning. But now you can see it's much better. It turned out pretty ugly, but it helped a lot when he showed me the second time how it was done. To finish this video, I'll show you the new set of wheels I bought for the Ford Taunus, and also just try it on the Taunus. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing to keep on following this project.